The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hi everyone, Ron here at Ablesys. Welcome to the webinar. We'll go over today's trades. We'll go over the recent trades on the higher time frames. I'll show you where to buy and sell with AbleTrend, show you what it looks like. It's very easy to use because it's all color coded. And we buy on blue, we sell on red. So when red is on the chart, when everything is red on the chart, we're buyers. When everything is blue on the chart, when I say everything, I mean the dots, the arrows, the price bars, then we're buying. When everything is red, we're selling. Blue, we're buying. So it's really easy, and we always combine two time frames into one chart. That's what makes AbleTrend work so well. And this has just been a very profitable year using AbleTrend signals. It's just been great. It's just been really, really good. I'll take a look at the daily, weekly chart, stock chart. I always like to look at stocks or ETFs. Longer term, many people use AbleTrend for that. It's very popular for longer term stock or ETF trades. And you can see here, this is exactly what I was talking about, what we're looking for. Exactly. The blue bar, the blue small dot. See, the small dots are support. They stop the prices from going any further lower. That means buying is going to come in when the prices hit the blue dots. Selling is going to come in when the prices hit the red dots. The red dots are the dots are 1 minute sell signal. The arrow is the 3 minute sell signal. The blue, because it's red, the blue dot is the 1 minute sell signal, buy signal. 1 minute buy for blue, 3 minute arrow. That's also buy because it's blue. So it's just blue and red. I mean, really, it is all it is. Let the algorithms do all the calculations for us. We're just looking at the colors. We want red bar, red dot, blue bar, blue dot, blue arrow. I say it so many times all day long. Long day. Busy day, which is great. 580, we bought this here on BLK. This is BlackRock. And this was also on WinTick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days ago. So WinTick, the WinTick report scans the stock market every night and puts all the new buy and sell signals on the website because everybody sees these signals like, oh my God, if I'd used this, I would have just made a fortune. But it's too late now. I'm not getting into it now, which I agree. I'm not going to touch it now. It's too late. If you didn't get in back here, either the first, one of the first 2 days when the prices were basically about the same price, didn't go up yet, and once it starts shooting up, it's gone. Move on to something else. So the WinTick report scans 10,000 stocks every night, looks for all the new buy and sell signals, so you can get in at the beginning of the trend, not in the middle or when it's too late. So this is a really good one. Obviously, from 580 to 633, everybody who took this signal, they're up 58 points in 1 week. Just a fantastic trade. Now, stop losses, we're going to put the stops at the second lower row of blue dots. So here's the dot under the price right now. There's our support protection, blocking it from going lower. There's where we put the stop loss, right there. Second lower blue dot. You said, all right, what do I do when I first get in? Let me zoom in a little closer. What do I do here? Well, you put your stop just a little bit under the blue dot. That's fine. A couple pennies is fine under the blue dot. Because this dot is, again, blocking it from going lower. It's called support. We have protection there. Often the prices hit the blue dot, bounce off and then go higher. Hit the red dots, bounce off and go lower. That's the accuracy of the AbleTrend algorithms for their support and resistance points. That's why the scalp chart is just so great and why it's working so well. Just pretty unbelievable the feedback I'm getting. Never seen anything like it. Okay, let's take a look at the normal AbleTrend chart for the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute combination for trading E-minis. We recommend NASDAQ because it's much smoother and much more movement than ES. ES is very choppy, very sideways, much more difficult to win, to be successful trading ES. So we like NQ much better. If it's a little too fast for you, because it can be, then go to RTY. I would say the second best would be the Russell, RTY. So earlier today, right at the open, I'm Eastern time, so right at the 9:13 is the date, which is today. 9:30 is the open. We had this again. This is not for scalping. This is for the, if you're the type that can stay in the trade, want to stay in the trade, maybe half hour, whatever, try and pick up a big trend. You'll win more this way. You'll also lose more on the when you're on the loser. The winners will be much bigger. The losses will be much bigger also. Some people just can't handle staying in the trade that long because if you think about it, you're up 200, you're down 100, you're up 400, you're down 300. It's just up and down every minute of the day. It's a little hard for some people to handle that. They can't handle the drawdowns. They're just very risk averse, and they need to just get in and out very quickly. They can't handle it. Just they don't have the mental makeup to do that, which is fine. That's why we have the scalp chart. You don't have to adapt to Abletrend style. Abletrend adapts to your style. It works exactly the same. It's just as accurate and profitable for stocks, futures, short term, long term, Forex, swing trading, everything. We have 25,000 clients around the world. They trade everything. Everybody trades something different. Just depends on whatever you like to trade. That's the nice part. So right there is an obvious triple confirmation trade. We got the 3-minute sell signal, the red X. We've got the 2-minute sell signal, the blue X. We've got the 1-minute sell signal, the dot. And the price bar is red. I mean, does it get any more odds piled on top of each other? Any more agreement, that this is going down? I mean, just unbelievable amount of confirmation. And it just dropped, big time, within minutes. Each one of these bars, 1 minute. Now, when we see 2 greens in a row, we put the stop 1 point above. Or you can put it 2 points above. 2 points above the higher of the 2 greens. If the bar is red, don't even think about getting out. It's going lower. Or at least let's just say the odds are greatly in favor of that happening. There'll definitely be some losing trades. I can guarantee you that. There's risk in trading. There's no perfect system in the world. And this certainly isn't either, because that doesn't exist. But if you want the odds greatly in your favor, with smaller losing trades, and you have the discipline to take the trades, you got something pretty special here. 2 greens in a row, we put the stop 2 points above, and right there we're stopped out. But we're stopped out at 0.65, and we got in at 30. That's a big time winner right there. We're looking at some serious money right there. That's a 70-point winner. That's $1,400. Abletrend gave to me, you, and everybody who uses it. You got to be very serious, and you got to be very, very disciplined and do what it says. Okay? When you have red above and blue below, that's like a tug of war. Red meaning sell, blue meaning buy. What do? You do nothing. That's called a no trade zone. That means the prices are going to get stuck in the middle. And that's exactly what happened. Look over here. All these red dots, red crosses above. Strong wall of resistance. Look how the price goes right to the red cross, bounces off it and comes down. It's like, wow. How did Abletrend know that? You guys put those red crosses in there an hour before that even happened. Well, yeah, that's why that's why it works so well. Okay, losing trade here. Got to point that out. I don't cherry pick. Tell it like it is. That's how I would want it to be. Red bar, red dot, red X. We're going to buy it there. Once it goes above the high of that red bar, we're out. So we're lost on that trade. Made 70 points on the first trade. Gave back about 20 on that one. Okay. Again, this is more for a trend, for somebody who can handle the ups and downs of the market. You'll win more, you'll lose more. On the winning trades, you'll win a lot more. Like today was a very big winning day. Very big winning day. I mean, thousands. Just trading one contract. But, there were times where, you had to take a couple $100 hit, 3 or 4 times during the day, So if you're looking to hit the home runs, this is the chart. Just a great chart for that. See, here's the buy signal. Blue buy signal, blue bar, 1 minute buy signal, 2 minute buy signal, 3 minute buy signal. I mean, just absolutely triple confirmation. Vertically, perfectly lined up vertically. Up and away it goes, and that was about a $1,000 winner right there per one contract. So big time, big money on these charts if you can handle the ups and downs, and there'll be some big ups and downs. I mean, today was like a $2,000 day. However, plenty of losses too. So it just depends on what kind of mindset you have. I mean, losing trade here, winning trade there, big winning trade here the last hour. Look at that. I mean, that is just perfect. Blue bar, blue dot, blue X, blue big X, blue small X. I mean, if the chart could talk, it'd be screaming at us. Buy it. Now, not here. Any red and blue together. Look at this mix of colors in here, reds and blues. And stay away. That means it's going to be choppy. That's exactly what it was. If you buy it here, never go, as long as it doesn't go under the blue dots, you stay in the trade. You're safe. There's our two greens. We put the stop just a little bit under that. We're out over there. But we're out at 130. We got into 85. Wow. 45-point winner. That's a $900 winner right there. 900 per one contract. Not 5, not 10 like some clients, just one. So, you get really big winners. But you get some, you're going to get some fairly good, obviously a lot smaller, but you could have a couple of $100, loss here or there. I mean, that's for sure. So, it just depends on if that's what you like. This is the 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute chart. I just have X's on this chart instead of arrows. You can use X's, you can use arrows, you can use dots, whatever you like. It's just personal preference. I show you different charts. These are the exact signals given today. Exact. And once the bar closes, it will never, ever change. So you can't say, oh, well, you're looking at it after the market closed. No. This is the exact signal that you saw at that time. I mean, that'd be cheating if it didn't. Anybody could tell you what happened after the market, where you should have bought or sold. I mean, that's worthless. I've never had a losing trade after the market closed. That's a joke. Okay, here's the scalp chart. 5 weeks now. We've got, we're averaging 7 out of every 10 trades, 7 winners. We're hitting 70%. It's just banging out $100 winners all day long. Losers too. I keep saying that. Not here to mislead anyone. Don't like somebody to mislead me. I won't do that to anyone else. And this is a really simple chart. I mean, like almost too simple. Some people say, oh my God, I can teach my 10-year-old how to do this. It's just so simple, so easy. It is. It's just a very easy chart to trade. Anytime the price hits a red dot, which is 1 minute resistance, and as long as it doesn't close above it, like right here, as long as it closes under the red dot, we're going to sell it short. And we're just going for 5 points. We put the stop just a point or two above the red dot. Because if it breaks above resistance, we don't want to be in it. We want to be out. And if it's within a half a point, and I even say a point, if you want to stretch it to a point, that's fine. Of the dot, that's fine. Like right here, I mean, you're actually a half a point to the dot. Well, we're not going to get magnifying glasses out and get crazy here. So if it's within a half a point, that's fine. We'll take the trade. So there's the first trade of the day right there. About 15 minutes after the open, closes right there. 1 minute later, winner, $100. Okay? No trade here, doesn't touch the red dot. Closes above it, no trade, no trade. Up, here's one, touches the red dot right there and closes under it. Let me zoom closer. Right there, closes under it. Well, that's an obvious sell market trade. 1 minute later, winner. In fact, it went down 20 points, but I'm only counting 5 because I want to be fair about it. We're just going for 5 points. This is a scalp chart. You're only in it 1 to 3 minutes. That's it. So there's very little risk because you're hardly in the market. But we still like to put a stop loss, a couple points above the red dots, just in case it should turn around very quickly and go against us. So first 2 trades, a plus 200. Good start. Third trade of the day, right here. It's the red dot, closes under it. How'd we do? Another winner, 300. First 3 trades, 300. Because every trade, 5 points is $100 in NQ. So first 3 trades, we only want 5. Even though some of these went 10 and 20, I'm not going to count that. I'm only counting 5. Just put like a bracket order in so you don't even have to sell. Just as soon as you hit the buy market button, in this case, sell market button, once it hits your 5 points, you're out. Done. So first 3 trades, great start, 300. Now, how about here? Nope, didn't touch it, didn't touch it, didn't touch it. This one touched. This one goes above it. Nope, no trade, nothing. If it hits the red arrows or the red dots, we're going short. If it hits the blue dots, like right here, or the blue arrows, we're going long. Just make sure you got at least 20 points in between, because you've got to give it room to hit the blue dot and bounce off of it and go up. And if the red arrows are real close, just leave it like right in here. Yeah, or where was it? Oh, it's coming up later. Okay, there was a place today where the arrows and the dots were real tight. They were real close to each other. Well, you can't have blue and red together. That's a tug of war. If you have blue, that means it's going to go up. If you have red, that's telling you it's going to go down. Well, what do? You do nothing. You wait till the next signal. It's 20, 25 trades a day. Don't push it. Okay, we got a sell signal right there. Now, this hits the red arrows, but they're blue. Obviously, for 25 years, Abel's been saying buy on blue, sell on red. So we're not going to go against the blue bar. However, green bar is fine, touches the red arrow, closes under it. Now, it goes against us at first. However, no big deal. Didn't go above the red arrow. We had that resistance protection there, blocking the price from going higher. And a couple of minutes later, pop right down. Pretty cool stuff. Winner again. So first 5 trades, 4 winners. Well, plus 300. Okay, hits the blue dot, closes above it. 2 minutes later, we had our 5 points. Winner again. First 6 trades, 5 winners, plus $400. That's not bad for less than an hour's worth of work, and that's just trading one lot, not 5, not 10, one lot. That's per contract. If you're a 2-lot trader or 5-lot trader, whatever, double it, triple it, whatever. That's per one contract. First trick, very clear cut too. I mean, no guesswork, real easy. You can see. I mean, if it hits the blue dot or the red dot or the blue or red arrow or not. I mean, I mean, I don't know how much easier you can have a trading system, because this is almost like too simple. But it works. That's what counts. I like simple, and I like results. That's all we care about is results. Okay, hits the red dot, closes under it. This one closes quite a bit under it. I mean, this is like 25 points. I'm a lot more comfortable if it's within 10 or even 15 points. But I'm gonna, let's say we take this trade. We might have still won on that trade. Let's see, 74. Yeah, we did 7 points. Okay, so that would be a winner. But you know what? That's so far from the red dot. Even though it's a winner, I'm not going to count it, even though it is a winner. Okay? This is not close enough to the red dot. There, that's touching the red dot. So this is a trade right here. 1 minute later, another winner. 6 out of 7. 6 out of the first 7. Losing trade right here. Hits the red dot, closes under it, goes, breaks above the red dot. Ooh, we don't want that. So we're stopped out there. Okay, we lost 5 points on that trade. So we got, what did I say? First, I think we're 6-2 on the first 8 trades. I'm not going to count every one of them, but I mean, it actually got better as the day gone on. It was great. Now, if you like to go for a trend, again, when the bars are blue, stay in the trade. But keep it simple. This is more for scalping. This is just getting in out quick. Okay, next time it hits a blue or red dot or blue or red arrow, okay, not yet, not yet. You know what, if we're looking at this live, let's do this like this. Because the bars never change once they close. And we wait for the bar to close, so this way we can look at the chart an hour later, 2 days later, or 50 years later. It's the exact same chart that you saw at that exact minute of the day. No switching signals, no fake stuff. Okay, if you're looking at this live, you see this here. Once the bar closes, well, then as soon as the next bar starts, we're in the trade. And there's a little timer on the bottom here too. Hits the blue dot, closes above it. Right there, we're in the trade. Okay, boom, we hit the button. We can't make the trade for you. Abletrend can't. You or I, we have to make the trade. We're a separate software company. You make the trade with your broker. Okay, so far, okay, we're still above the blue dot. We're safe. Stop goes 2 points under that blue dot. Okay, I just want to share like a live trade if you're looking at this live. Okay, there we go. Still hanging in there. Okay, good. As long as we stay above the blue dot, very relaxed. We got the boom. Wow, I didn't expect that. Okay, great. There you go. You got 50. You got 20 points. That's $400. However, I'm only going to count 100 because if you got a bracket order in, it automatically takes you out after 5 points. So there we go. 7-2 out of the first 9 trades. Losing trade here. This one closes above it. So now we're 7-3 out of 10. We've been averaging that for 6 weeks that I introduced this chart after I worked on it for about 4 hours every day. For 4 months every day. Okay, so we're right at our average. The first 10 trades today, 7 winners plus 400. I take that every day of the week. Oh my God, that's people saying they, compared to what they were using before Abletrend, it's not even close. But it's not for me to say. It only counts for what you think, not what I say. Another winner right here, closes right on the arrow. Winner there. So, and then as we went on. all day long you can see it, okay? I mean, here, hits the red arrow, goes down, winner. Hits the red down, goes down, winner. Hits the blue dot, closes under it. No, actually, it could have closed above. We could have hit our 5 points before it came down. And, you know, you just don't know. So I'll count that as a loser. However, it could have been a winner. Right here, hits the red dot, goes down, another winner, $100. Another winner, $100. Another winner, $100. Another winner, $100. Unbelievable today. It was just banging out $100 bills all day long. We were right on target. First, the 20 trades today, 14 winners. That puts us at plus 800. Let's throw another 100 in for commissions and slippage, plus 700. And that was pretty cool. I mean, and this is just average. We've had better days. And only 3 losing days in 33. So, you see, doesn't count what I say. You got a 30-day trial. Feel free to do that. Look over here if you're a trend trader. Look at that beautiful trend. Blue arrow up, blue dot up, blue price bar. And here's the key. Closes above resistance. I love when it breaks above the red arrow. It breaks above resistance, the red arrows. And here, the bars are solid blue. As I said, if they're still blue, stay in the trade. We're going higher. And my God, look at that thing take off like a rocket. That's 50 points in the last half hour today. That's $1,000, per one contract. So, we can't make the trades. The software can't make the trade for me or for you. We have to take it from there. It's as you can see, very easy system to use. And I'll do a live 15-minute one-on-one trading session. I can show you more in 15 minutes than you can do on your own the whole month. So, don't throw $108 away, which is a 1-month trial. I'll gladly do that for you anytime you got 15 minutes. Preferably you'd want to do it in the first week, so this way you know what you're doing, for the upcoming 1-month trial. Everybody only gets one 30-day trial. You're welcome to just order it yourself right online and download it right away. It's simple. See what you think. We'll gladly help. We have tech support here if you need help getting started, or with charts or with data, and then I'll gladly do a one-on-one trading 15-minute trading session with you. A couple days after you get started, if you've got everything set up and you've watched a couple of these webinars, which we're doing right now. I do these webinars live every Tuesday and Thursday, and they go on YouTube. All these webinars are on YouTube the very next day. You just go to YouTube and type in Ablesys. As I said earlier, WinTech is our stock picking service. We scan the market every night and we look for all the new buy signals, like we showed over here. The new buy signal came in over here on BlackRock last week because there's the first blue bar. So if you're a stock trader, WinTech is very, very helpful. Hi, Cheryl. Tech support is here every day. You may be dialing an old number or something. We changed the number like a year ago. So all the phone numbers are on. The phone number for tech support is on the website. Tech support is here 8 hours a day, Monday to Friday. Hi, Ali. What's the name of TD Ameritrade data for scalp chart? It would just be AMTD, Ameritrade. So it will be right here. I don't have AMTD because I changed it here. But what you would do is you'd click on your scalp inside your workspace and then just click on AMTD if you use TD data. Another very profitable day today. So hopefully this helps. We're glad to help. See what you think. If you don't have a trial, whenever you're ready, feel free to do that. No rush. Take your time. Watch the webinars. They're very helpful. This is how I keep in contact with all our clients. Do these webinars and trying to be as helpful as I can. Very put a lot of effort into what I do, and I like what I do. So anything I can help, the way I can help, let me know. One last question, Rick, is can you use the stock chart for playing options? Sure. Yeah, everything's the same. I mean, if our chart says BlackRock's going to go up, you can trade shares, you can trade calls. I mean, again, we don't take your money, or we're not a broker. We don't tell you what to do as far as how much to play or anything, how much to invest or anything. I mean, that part's up to you, but the software is going to give you accurate direction. You take it from there, whether you like shares or options or whatever you're comfortable with. That's up to you. Thanks for being here, everyone, and stay safe.